place where every detail matters, where speed, luxury, and perfection seamlessly unite, presenting Sant'Agata, Italy, the birthplace of Lamborghini. Before revolutionizing the supercar world, Ferruccio Lamborghini was already known for creating some of the finest tractors in the industry. But for Ferruccio, it wasn't enough. He looks at Ferrari's power, elegance, and engineering. As his hand moves over the car, a thought begins to form.
What if we could make something better?
That question lingers in his mind, sparking an idea that will change everything. In 1963, his vision became reality with the unveiling of the Lamborghini 350 GTV, the brand's first car. A masterpiece of design, engineering, and power. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, it shattered expectations and set a new standard for performance. From the groundbreaking 350 GTV to today's most expensive pinnacle of luxury and performance, the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. With a price tag of approximately $8.3 million, this stunning masterpiece delivers a top speed of 221 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Now, meet the Lamborghini Revuelto, the latest and fastest model to ever bear the Lamborghini name. Top speed of 217 miles per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds.